Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an Infiniti Q50 grill. First, gather all your essential tools, including a trim removal tool, a 10mm socket, and a flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine completely off. For safety, it is crucial to disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery before starting any work. This prevents accidental electrical shorts during the process. Next, you will need to remove the plastic clips that secure the top of the front bumper. There are typically about 8 to 10 clips across the top edge. Use your trim removal tool to gently pry up the center pin of each clip, then remove the entire clip. Be careful not to break them. Keep these clips organized, as you will need them for reassembly. Now, proceed to remove the remaining bolts and screws that secure the bumper. You will find several 10mm bolts in the wheel wells and underneath the bumper. Once all fasteners are removed, carefully pull the bumper away from the vehicle. Remember to disconnect any fog light wiring harnesses by pressing the small tab and pulling. Place the bumper on a soft, clean surface to avoid any damage. Finally, with the bumper detached, you can now unclip the old grill. There are usually about 6 to 8 tabs holding it in place. Clean the mounting area thoroughly before aligning your new grill. Carefully snap the new grill into position, ensuring all tabs are securely fastened. Then, reverse the removal steps. Reattach the bumper, reconnect any wiring, and secure all clips and bolts. Don't forget to reconnect your battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.